My dear brothers and sisters in Jesus Christ, today we are celebrating the feast of Saint Sebastian. He was born at Narbonne in France in 255 AD. Later he joined the Roman army and became the captain of the protective military force of Diocletian, the Roman emperor. He served the king with all his strength and power. But when the emperor ordered to erect his statues throughout the empire and commanded to offer incense to it, Sebastian was not willing. He was aware of the words of the Lord: "Give to Caesar what belongs to Caesar, and give to God what belongs to God." He wanted to be a soldier and a believer at the same time. When the emperor realized that Sebastian was a Christian, he ordered to shoot him to death with arrows. But he escaped miraculously and was under the care of a pious woman. Later he came back to the army and criticized the emperor for his unjust and inhuman behavior. And the emperor got angry and ordered to beat him to death. He became a martyr on 20th January 288. Jesus says, "Do not fear those who kill the body but cannot kill the soul. Rather, fear him who can destroy both soul and body in hell." This seems to be the favorite dictum of Saint Sebastian. This fearlessness was the peculiarity of his personality. And precisely this fearlessness, together with love for the country and the emperor, made him the captain of the army. Martyrdom and death evokes fear and shock. But the church grew, drawing strength from its martyrs over the centuries. Today, we may not find the same kind of persecution and martyrdom as that of the early Christian period. But leading a spiritual life in the midst of materialism and secularism involves a kind of martyrdom and death. It will bestow us with treasures of heaven. One of the old martyrs said to his persecutors, as they were leading him to death, "You take a life from me that I cannot keep, and bestow a life upon me that I cannot lose." As we celebrate the feast of Saint Sebastian, let us ask his intercession to be faithful, courageous and committed. To a faithful soul, sanctity is easier. To a courageous heart, victory is nearer. To a committed mind, nothing is impossible. Thank you very much.